Well, some business news. The tax ecosystem is evolving and both administrators and taxpayers must adapt to the changes. Now, that was the key message at the inauguration of the Rev360, a new digital platform by the Nigerian Revenue Service designed to fully modernize tax administration in the country. We have details in this report.
Nigeria's tax system is undergoing a structural shift. From paper files to digital records, from physical queues to self-service platforms, and from traditional administration models to a more integrated digital system. The executive chairman of the Nigeria Revenue Service, Zach Adedeji, is reflective and appreciative of the efforts put in to ensure efficiency in tax collection and management.
And the Tinubu administration is committed to seeing this economy well above $1 trillion. And these are the building blocks I've mentioned. We're looking at Rev360. It's really an honor and a privilege to be here. I've mentioned the National Single Window and many other reforms of this administration.
At Nigeria Revenue Service is no more accounting agency. It's now a technology agency. This is the future. And it's not for us to dream the future. We just have to build that future. And I think that is what NRS is doing today. We are building the future that we want for ourselves.
Over the past several years, significant efforts have been directed towards strengthening fiscal management, improving investment, expanding digital transformation, and enhancing the efficiency of public sector institutions. In this regard, the Nigeria Revenue Service has been an important partner in that journey. The launch of Rev360 demonstrates a clear commitment to innovation and improvement. It reflects an understanding that the future of public administration will increasingly be defined by data, technology, integration, and excellent service.
For the stakeholders present, the platform is expected to drive compliance, noting that simpler systems often encourage wider participation in tax administration.
One of the most important things about Rev360 is the protection of the data of the taxpayers. So it's more secured and it gives a lot of confidentiality that is required for business so that business can trust the platform with which they are interacting in paying their taxes and fulfilling their tax obligations. So overall, Rev360, again, like everything in life, is an improvement on our whole system. And now that we've transformed into a one-stop shop where taxpayers can register, they can file, they can run their assessment, and they can also pay. And they can also engage in any form of interaction with the tax authority, and that has helped them to make their business better.
We moved from a digital administration system to an intelligent administration system. So it means that we have the data, we have all the endpoints from various transactions that the users or taxpayers will be doing. And then we can actually leverage that intelligence and data to be able to determine whether someone is complying or not, based on all of that information. Don't forget, there are banking transactions, there are all kinds of transactions people are doing, and all of that information will be useful in determining who is compliant and who is not.
For the technology system, the focus is on functionality across the board. Businesses are expected to benefit from improved visibility, taxpayers from smoother interaction with the system, and tax officers from better tools to carry out their responsibilities.